You're lying like my scale. You're lying like my scale. I keep losing weight, which is a problem.
I didn't hear nothing. That's suspicious. That's weird.
But also, gaining weight's a problem too, so I don't know. I'm just a walking problem. Come on, not allowed on YouTube, link below. It's just water weight. All the haters, I see what you're saying in the background. It's just water weight. Her name is Candy, and she also goes by the Hungry Fat Chick. Oh, and she's hungry. She is hungry today. We're both actually really hungry. I'm telling you, I think I was royalty in the past, because I feel like a peasant having to shop. Shop till you drop. Terrible. Just water weight. I know. I look like a little bit different, but it's water. Anyway, collaborations, unless we're like slurping it like Lady and the Tramp, which I've done with my ex, Orlin, and yes, we're exes. I don't need to hear no ands or buts or anything. I know you guys have been stalking the Instagram. Get off my Instagram if you're not a supporter, okay? I don't need mediocre minds following me and injecting horrible things into my brain. I'm happy, I'm single, and I'm ready to mingle. Okay. How many did I get? I think I got 10 of them. This is actually gonna be really crazy. I am horrible in the kitchen. I hate cooking. It's just a disaster. You have to watch it. Jeepers creepers. A, be nice, and B, go follow her. Make sure you subscribe, and don't be a hateful subscriber, okay? She will block you, and it doesn't even matter. This is a lot of work. They have one in Denise. I'm just shocked that I lost weight. Shocked! How am I losing weight? Okay, I eat and I eat and I eat some more. 8 times 8 is 64. And I'm losing weight. I'm getting too skinny. It's a problem. That's gonna be my next video title. I'm losing weight and don't know why. I'm trying to be 350 so I can get a free cheeseburger at the Heart Attack Grill. And I got my seaweed that goes on top. This is the one thing I miss Orlin, because he would do all this for me. That was his job. He had one job. His job was to shop for the food, make the bed, do the laundry, take out the trash, make my food, clean up after the food, turn on the Roomba, wash the dishwasher, and make sure the toilet had to be clean. And he didn't have that much to do. That's it. And also shop for my Walmart clothes, because there's no scooters left for me. So, 1, 2, 3. Bam! Hey, hungry fat chick. Shine bright like a diamond. This is what we say. Shine bright. There we go. If you're a grown up and you want to get to know us a little, come on over to my Patreon.
Right?
It's a lot of water weight going on.
Definitely. Love the water weight there.
All right, so we'll see you when we're all done. Let us catch our breath.
Yes, indeed.
I'm out of breath for this.
Oh, I'm scared.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm doing it. Mmm. Noodle face already.
Oh.
Needed a reminder.
Oh.
I know.
It just flew back to the back of my. Oh. Now I will start hiccuping. You guys know I hiccup if it starts. Okay, here we go. Oh, see. Oh.
I think I need the fork if I'm gonna do this correctly. Oh, oh my God, y'all.
The flavor is so good though.
Ow.
I'm crying.
In my nose.
Okay. Ooh. It burns. Look how red my face got. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
I'm destroyed already. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Oh, I'm a wreck. Oh. Okay. My mascara is gonna run. Oh my gosh. Oh. I should have like not worn mascara. What was you thinking? Oh my God. I'm like, did you catch that? Well, I'm like, what have you done to me?
Car crashes. Really, have you ever been in a car crash? She's like, no, but I've been rammed up in the rear like 5 times. I'm like, wow.
I've never been in a wreck that was my fault, but I've been slammed in the rear. Yeah.
Did you like getting slammed in the rear?
Actually, no. Not in that case, but oh, if we want to take it to another level.
Wow.
Sure.
1 and 2, so 3.
Okay.
I have to think about what's the most at once. I've had 2.
Actually, yeah. Well,
not 4, not 5, not 6.
no, just 2.
Just 2. Give me 2. Me too.
Just 2. Oh my God. My eyes. I'm scared. Oh my.
I've done 2.
Oh God, this is.
My whole cheeks are numb.
You thought you was gonna have to go to the hospital, huh?
It hurts to talk right now.
Oh no. Y'all, this hurts.
And
Cause it's like addictive. Oh. I'm crying. Oh.
I can't even feel.
Mommy.
Oh!
But I ordered 4. But yeah, it was nice though.
No water for you.
Cause I'm too short, I can't reach my tube.
Oh!
Okay.
I'm running.
Oh my Lord. I'm just over here. I'm like, oh mama.
Yeah.
Viva la arepas.
Arepas, yeah.
Arepas.
It's the little pancake corn things.
They're good.
Yeah,
They're really good.
Ooh.
Give me some buttery cheese.
We did it.
Lots of cheese.
Cheese. I love cheese.
Da-dum. Oh God, I love your cheese song.
I love cheese.
And I love your hot and steamy song.
Da-dum. Yeah, this was hot and steamy.
It was. It really was. Oh my goodness.
We're both overweight and we don't know why.
Right.
And
I have no idea. It's
not
just,
from noodles. That
No.
sure ain't the reason.
No, that's
She
not.
barely ate. But then after like 3 bites, you're like, oh.
That's enough. Push away.
You're all watching their waistline.
We're eating for them.
Counting their calories, their carbs.
We're indulging where they're denying themselves. And for every day is a cheat day for me, according to my viewers.
Her reaction's just like, 4.
Come on now.
Then all these Twizzlers pop out.
But, yeah.
Bye.